Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nobitex. This is me Tithi. Today I'm gonna show you how to install VirtualBox on Kali Linux easily in a short time. So let's start. So before installing VirtualBox, we have to install these things. Without installing this, we can't install VirtualBox. So let us first install this. Then we will go and install VirtualBox. So after installing it, let's write sudo apt-get install VirtualBox, and the VirtualBox will start getting installed. It will take some time to get installed, so let's wait, and after it get installed we can start the VirtualBox. So after installing the VirtualBox, just write VirtualBox and it will show. So this install. Now you can install any operating system in it. Hope my video helped you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, share and definitely subscribe my channel for getting more amazing videos like this in future. Bye bye, have a good day.